Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the Ladies of Justice League YouTube channel. Here we have a bird feeder, very active, having breakfast, chatting.
Those are
Hummingbirds, finches,
sparrows,
and
robins.
they're robin. Anyway, a lot of activities this morning on a bright Sunday. Enjoying nature and the warmth.
Oh, and down the road there's squirrels. They keep. There goes one.
And squirrels somewhere I can't find.
On the well, on the ground.
Oh, on the ground. Anyway, birds are so happy today. All right, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Want more tools, strategies, save you time, make more money? Go to ladiesofjusticeleague.com. Have a great day. Enjoy the birds.